An $8 million stormwater project in Detroit, years in the making, is now complete. CW50's April Morton was there as the city shows how it will reduce flooding.
After major flooding impacted homes in this Detroit Westside neighborhood, neighbors asked the city for assistance. Now a completed project will help minimize any future floodings.
It's been a long time coming. The flood harmed a lot of houses in this area.
Department of Neighborhoods District 7 manager for the city of Detroit, Mona Ali, grew up in the area of Oakman near Tyerman on the city's west side. She recalls her family's home as well many others in the area experiencing significant flooding during a storm in 2014 and 2016. Since that time, the city has designated millions of dollars to reduce street and home flooding throughout the city, including a project here on Oakman Boulevard.
We looked at the data and we looked at the infrastructure in this area and tried to think of a creative thing we could do to minimize the impact of rain events for this specific neighborhood.
Deputy Director and Chief Engineer for the Detroit Water and Sewerage Department, PALENCIA MOBLEY, says the outcome was this massive stormwater project that consists of 10 bioretention gardens placed in the medians. Using water from a fire hydrant, the city demonstrated how the project works during a rain event.
Once it reaches here, it's going to infiltrate. It has an engineered soil with kind of a compost and topsoil mix to help absorb more water.
The plants will also help absorb more water. The city says the project not only helps reduce flooding, but also beautifies Detroit neighborhoods. In Detroit, April Morton, CW50 News at 10.